since we are considering 2:1, so in this path A, B, and C, D, it will be 4, 4. B and D, if we consider this path, so we have 2 transistors, so 4 and 4. Again, if we consider this path, 2 transistors, so 4 and 4. If we consider B and C, again two paths, 4 and 4. So in either way, you have 4, 4, 4, 4. Here you have 2 paths. One is A, B. You have 2 transistors. So 1 will be multiplied by 2. Here you have 2 paths, C and D, multiplied by 2. Now, since our sizing is done, we can go for the design. This is the logic expression. We will check after we make the design. So I'm going to be making the design now. What is the first thing I have to do? Anyone? What is the first thing I have to do?
Sir, N type and P type, sir.
No, I have first thing I have to do is select
Lambda
boundary,
should
right?
be 1, sir.
Yeah, 99, no? Then the lambda should be 1. Now, since it is 4, 4, 2, 2, right? So A is 4, A is 2, B is 4, 2, C 4, 2, D 4, 2. So 4 are 2. So all are same. So if I make A only, I can copy it, right? So our P diffusion, it will be 4. 4 means 24. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it for P diffusion. So if I take the contact for P, I can put it here, no problem. Now I want to make the N diffusion. So here I have 6. To 12 gap. So here how much? 1, 2,
হ্যালো স্যার
4. Yes, বলো।
স্যার ওটা কি স্যার ট্রানজিস্টরকে স্যার 6 দ্বারা স্যার গুণ করতে হবে স্যার?
হ্যাঁ, ট্রানজিস্টরকে 6 দিয়ে গুণ করতে হবে। তার কারণ হচ্ছে মিনিমাম 1 মানে হচ্ছে 6। কতদিন আমরা দেখে আসছি আমাদের 1 যে ছিল 1, যদি আমাদের এখানে 1 হইতো তাহলে এটা হতো 6 ল্যামডা, মানে 6 ঘর। যেহেতু এটা 2, এই জন্য এটা হবে 12। Since it is 4, it will be 24.
জি স্যার, বুঝতে পারছি স্যার।
So how much we got? No error. So this is 4 lambda, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to, this is 6, this is 14, right? So I need to make it 12. This is 12. No error. 10 type. N type. Now the polysilicon. I have to increase it. No error. Okay. Now I want to copy it. How do I copy it? I click all. Then I'm going to copy it. If you do not want to copy it, you can make it again as well. Okay. So 2. This is 6. I will copy it again. So they are all same. So is there any problem? No problem. Okay, now the NOL. This is the NOL 6666, all of them. Is there any error? No error. Now the NOL VDD is this one. Now I have to make the connections. Got my point? How I make the connections? Let's go and see. So here you have to understand your A and your B. Source is connected, drain is connected. Your C and D. Source is connected, drain is connected. So let's make these four connections first. A and B, C and D. Source, drain. Any error? No error. It should be 3 at least. No error. No error. So source, drain is done. Now let's go here. The AB source is connected with VDD. Drain is connected to the CD source. A source connected to the VDD. CD source is connected to the AB drain, right? So your VDD will be connected here. And A drain should be connected with the CD source. That means this one. Drain is connected to the source, right? Any error? No error. Next, CD CD drain is connected to the bottom drain. A and C drain. See, A and C, their drain will be connected. C and D drain will be connected, and they are connected together. So CD drain, AC drain. Got my point? So let's go and make the connection. This is the drain. So I keep some space here. I keep some space so that I can give my input. No problem here. So A and C, drain is connected. The upper one, C and D, drain will be connected, and they are connected together. Okay. And here will be our output, because the point where our PMOS and NMOS are connected, there is our output. Now come here again. Look at this. A source, B drain will be connected. So let's make this connection. A source, B drain. Wait a second, I have a call. Okay. So A and D, they are connected together because source and drain are connected. A and B. A source, B drain. So A source is this one. B drain is this one. So they will be connected. How they will be connected? This is a pure problem. Okay. So so we can make this connection like this, right? But there will be a problem here as well. I will explain later. But let me connect this together like this. Okay. Then this connection we can be done as well. C source, B drain, D drain, source drain, right? C source, D drain. Which one is C source? C source is this one. D drain is this one. So we can make the connection like this as well. So I'm taking the middle one. Okay. Now the real problem occur when you want to connect the B source and D source. See, B source and D source and the ground. Got my point? This is the real problem. So B source is this one, D source is this one. How you are going to connect it? So you have to connect it like this. Okay? Or you have to connect it like this. Got my point? So in every way, there will be a problem, because if you want to take the connection from here like this, okay, if you want to make the connection, there you will have an error. Got my point? Because there is a minimum gap. There will not be any minimum gap, right? Everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So minimum gap হবে না এখানে, বুঝতে পারছি?
Yes, sir.
কিন্তু এই গ্যাপের কারণে there will be a problem. So this is not the solution. The solution is you have to connect it like this, right? But what will be the problem? Shwaib, tell me, what will be the problem here?
Yes, sir.
What will be the problem here?
Sir, the problem is the connection, sir.
Yeah, the connections, because they will be connected together, right? Here.
Yes, sir. Will be
So-
short.
Yeah, they will be short. So there is one easy solution for this one. That is, we have to use metal 2. We have to use what?
Metal too.
We have to use metal 2. If you use metal 2, they are safe. They will not be short. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you use metal 2, they will not be short. And if you can tell, sir, how one metal is not connected to the another metal, right?
Yes, sir.
Because of the lithography process. Lithography. Because this is not the connection. Here we are actually separating the layers. So in between layers, there are some silicon. Okay. So when I give the metal one's layer, so that is already done. On that layer, I will give some insulation. Then after that layer, I will make another layer of metal 2. So here I am actually separating the layers. আমি এখানে আসলে লেয়ার গুলোকে সেপারেট করতেছি কানেকশন ওয়াইজ। So ওইটা পরে ওটাকে ইনসুলেশন দিয়ে ঠিক করা যাবে। But if I connect the metal 1 and metal 1, if they are short together, it is not possible to separate the layers. Okay. So here I'm taking the metal 2. But remember one thing, this contact here, can you see that? This is square box. This one is for what? What metal?
N-type, sir.
No, N-type and metal what?
Silicon, sir.
No. If I go there and there is a text, read that. Contact N plus diffusion / metal 1, right?
Yes, sir.
And this one, P-type diffusion and metal 1. So these connections are for what? These connections are all for what?
Metal 1, sir.
All for metal 1. So it will not work with metal 2. So what I can do, I will still use metal 2. I will still use metal 2, but I need to use a separate connections as well on top of it. What is that? As you can see here, the last one, the last but one. What is this?
Contact metal 1 and metal 2, sir.
Exactly. That means previously it was metal 1. Now if I bring it and place it on top of it. Got my point? So metal
Okay,
1
sir.
will be converted to metal 2, right? In this point, only on this point. Okay. So our connections is done. So in this case, we actually change the metal from metal 1 to metal 2, and we come here. Okay. Now this is the connections, B source and D drain, D source. Here our VD, our ground will be connected, VSS. So let's connect the ground. Now our input will be connected. So this is our A. The voltage will be 5. This is B. C. And this is D. And our output will be here. This is Y. Okay. Now, if there is any error, no error is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Since no error is there, so we can actually simulate this. This is our design. Simulate. Okay. This is the design. Here you can see in anywhere you can test. Let's test this one. This one is 1, 1, 1, 0. The result is 0, right? 1, 1, 1, 0. So let's check with our truth table. This is our truth table. This is from the logic expression, right? How do I made it? I made it like this. AB plus CD, right? CD bar. So if I click 1, 1, because it is A and B are 1, 1. C and D are 1, 0. So 1 into 0. So 1, 1 means 1. 1, 0 means 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 bar is equal to 0, right? So this is how I make this truth table. Understood? This is how I make this truth table. And now let's check with the truth table and the values. So 1, 1, 1, 0. Which one is that? This one, right? 1, 1, 1, 0. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
What is the value?
0.
0.
0.
So similarly, let's check another value. Let's check this one. 0, 0, 0, 0. The first one, what is the value? 1, right? Let's check. 0, 0, 0, 0, let value is 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is how actually you can check all the values. Now your design is all right. Now I want to show you some more designs as well. There is an automatic way of doing this design. Automatic way of doing this design. What is that automatic way? Using DSCH. You know DSCH?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this software? Okay, you all know this software, right?
Yes,
So,
Yes, sir. Already check, sir.
yeah, you already know it. So we can use this software to make this sort of design. That means layout design, automatic design. So let's check that. How? Let's make that circuit. This is what? PMOS. PMOS. Another PMOS. Another PMOS. This is NMOS. 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 This is our ground. This is our LED. LED means this is our output actually. And this is our 5 volt. This is our 4 inputs: A, B, C, D. So 4 inputs, right? So if I make all, this is the design. Now here I want to make the connections. Okay. Now double click, this is our A. Double click, this is our B. This is C. This is D. No, no. A is connected. This is our A. This is also our A. Okay. This is our B. This is our B. This is our C. This is our C as well. This is our D. This is our D as well. Okay. I just make the connection like that. This is our Y. Now the sizing. So sizing is very important. Here, the sizing is 1, 2, 1:2. Can you see that? The sizing is 1:2. Here, the NMOS sizing is 1. Your PMOS sizing is 2, right? One. See, only the width. Don't look at the length. Only the width. Width is equal to 1.0. Width is equal to 2.0. So 1:2 because it is for what? It is for N, not gate, right? But in this case, our sizing is what? Our sizing is 2244, right? So let's make it 2. This one, make it 4. Sizing is complete. Now, if I check the design, it is all right. 0, 0, 0, 0 output is 1. 1, 1, 1, 0 output is 0, right? So it is all right. Now I want to save it as AB plus CD. Now I want to do one thing that is called make Verilog file. Can you see that? From file, I'm going to make a Verilog file. Make Verilog file. If I make the Verilog file, this is the design. This is the coding. Here, how many types of what is that? Metal we want to use, we will select it later. Select it later. Okay. So this is a text file. It is going there. Now I am going to the microwind. From the microwind, I will click new. I will go there and I will compile. Wait a second. Okay, now Now I want to compile it. So go to the compilation, compile Verilog file. Okay, compile Verilog file. From here, I will go to that location where I saved that DSCH file. So I'm going to the software, DSCH. Here, the file type should be text, TXT file, text file. There you can see I just saved one file, ABCD. The previous 2 minutes ago, ABCD. I'm going to open it. This is that file. Now I want to use how many types of metal? Metal 1, metal 2, metal 3, or I want to use metal 1 and metal 2 only. Then I will just compile. Then I will go to the editor. This is the design. This is the exact same design, but now this is what? This is automated design. This one is bigger. Obviously, automated design will be bigger always. Automated design will be always bigger, and automated design will be always easier. Although it is easier, but it is bigger. Got my point, everyone?
Yes, sir, we get.
Automated design is what? Is easier, but it is bigger. So now you will see your design is perfect. Now, previously you had some error. You had some glitches, right? Not true. Previously you had some error, right? You have some glitches in the middle. You have some glitches. Right now, it is the design looks perfect. Can you see that? And the design will be same as well. Here, if I click 0 0 0 0, so here 0 0 0 0, but your result is 1. Here, look at this 1 1 1, but this is 0. So this is result is 0, right? So result is perfect. So this is how you can make the design as well. This is actually your automated design, not the manual design. But I like you to try manual design, not the automated one, because automated one is bigger. And although the result is perfect, but it is bigger. There is another way of making the layout design as well. You can learn it by yourself. That is called stick diagram method. Stick diagram method. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
It's called stick diagram method. Now, today's class is over. Stop the recording.